Tired of your Adobe Animate puppets looking more like broken toys than graceful characters? This tutorial is going to help you unsnarl those frustrating bone errors and achieve fluid, believable movement. First, let's isolate the problem. Scrub through your timeline. Where does the weird distortion or unnatural bend occur? Pinpoint the exact frame and the specific bone causing the issue. Now, select the bone tool in the Properties panel. Ensure angle is unlocked for the problematic bone. Sometimes, accidentally locking it restricts natural movement and causes errors. Next, check the joint angle constraints. Excessive limits can lead to unnatural poses. Slightly increase the minimum and maximum angles to give the joint more freedom. Do this incrementally until the error resolves. Examine the bone's influence. Is it affecting the correct areas of the character? If a bone is controlling unintended parts, adjust the shape of your character or add more bones to isolate control. Incorrect bone placement is a major culprit. Ensure your bones are positioned at natural articulation points. Elbows, knees, shoulders. Repositioning a bone, even slightly, can drastically improve movement. Finally, always keep your layers organized. Having the correct drawing objects parented to the right bones will solve many issues. And there you have it. By understanding these common bone error causes, you can troubleshoot rigging issues and achieve smoother, more realistic animations. Be sure to subscribe for more Adobe Animate tips and tricks.